All right, just thought I'd post a quick little video here for Friday. I'm working on something on my truck. You can see here, these are the headlight adjusting screws. I don't know if these are factory or maybe I replaced these, but in any event, you can see they're rusted. And I'm not a huge fan of having rusty bits on my truck. So anytime I see something rusty, I try to change it to some material that is, you know, much more rust resistant. So in this particular case, you can kind of see I've already done this side over here. What I've done is I've changed to titanium screws, and these are pan head screws, but it actually turned out kind of nice, so I thought I'd show on camera for anyone who's interested kind of how this all came out. So on this side here, this is the original screws here. You can see they have just like a little kind of a ledge on them to grab that that little sheet metal can, you know. And that provides, as you turn the screw, of course, it goes in and out of this little fixture, the plastic deal here, and allows you to adjust your headlights. Now what I did was I just ordered some titanium pan head screws from China. These are M5 by 0.8, and I think they're grade either 5 or 2 titanium, but I'll put the link to where I got these pan head screws as well as the M5 nuts. And then you can see I just kind of did a jam nut affair, so I snugged it up on the back side and then I ran a jam nut in, and still allows for some adjustment, although I have the headlights adjusted you know how I want. So I just measured the original distance from the little plastic nut deal here to the underside of the head, and I just duplicated it, but it holds it real nice and secure. And the titanium should be much more resistant to rust, so I'm knocking down the little rusty stuff on the truck. And I'm kind of over here, I'm in process with this one, and I've already kind of taken my measurements for how far this is standing off. So for anyone who might be working on their headlights or kind of, you know, like, oh, I'm not really feeling this rusty stuff, this is one possible solution. Now they do sell these kind of original pieces made out of stainless steel on eBay and what have you, but yeah, they're kind of expensive, and I just figure, well, I can kind of do the same thing with some titanium, and it seems to be coming out pretty good. So just thought I'd show that. All in all, the truck's been running real well. I think the rings actually maybe finally seated completely. I've been not seeing as much blow by in the catch cans, and also the truck seems to be pulling a little bit better vacuum off idle, you know, on deceleration. I think I was getting 26 inches of mercury on kind of deceleration on the highway, and, you know, in gear, foot off the throttle. And I think now I'm getting maybe 20, just a hair over 26. And I noticed that the oil consumption in the catch can has gone from, you know, I was getting maybe 60 milliliters every 450 miles to just recently I got only 25 after about I think it was 325 miles. So very slight decrease in the oil kind of arriving in the catch can, so that's, you know, cautiously optimistic. Also, in checking the oil, it seems like the consumption has kind of started to go down. I'm still monitoring that. I did switch over to a slightly different oil. It's a 5W40. It's either MOTUL or liquid moly, I can't remember, but I'll put the link to the oil I'm running currently for anyone who's interested in the description. So anyways, that's a wrap on the headlight stuff. Like I say, anyone maybe having rusty stuff there might like kind of this routine. I like it a lot. It's very secure, and I think it'll be nice to not have the little rust kind of showing itself there. So, okay, hope you've enjoyed the video. As always, any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks a lot for watching.